Welcome back, fans, to Monster Truck Classics, and some new videos is coming your way. And as you can see, I have Series 43 trucks here. The first one is Avenger, and then the next one, the training truck of Megalodon, and then the new die-cast body of El Toro Loco, and this very cool Monster Jam box that I found these at Aldi's back at the kind of the end of March. So here is the box. It's really cool that I was able to get one and to even put the trucks in it. Megalodon training truck. Here is the training truck of Megalodon out of the package, and the wheels are a different color tone of blue than the roll cage, but they have the BKT lettering on the tires. And so we get up close there. It has Megalodon on the side, the Monster Jam logo, a little looking ferocious teeth for Megalodon. And it has a metal base, and up top there on the roof it has the Monster Jam logo, and you can see the driver pretty well also. So there we have it. So this is the chase piece, the training trucks for 2025. The last time they came out was, I believe, in 2019, when Spin Master took over the licensings for Monster Jam. So there it is, a wrap up here of Megalodon. Thank you for tuning in.